Hello friends, today I'll share with you powerful anti-aging recipes that reduce wrinkles, tighten skin, and restore your natural glow naturally and safely. Coconut oil is the main ingredient in today's recipes. It is rich in fatty acids and vitamins that deeply nourish the skin, improve elasticity, and support a youthful glow. Before we begin, always do a small patch test before applying any new ingredient to your face to make sure your skin tolerates it well. If you are acne prone or have oily skin, use coconut oil in small amounts and avoid the T-zone as it may clog pores for some people. Always apply these recipes on clean, makeup-free skin for best results. And use pure, cold-pressed, organic coconut oil and fresh aloe vera gel whenever possible. First recipe, what ingredients do you need? 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt gently exfoliates the skin, brightens the complexion, and improves hydration. This mask softens the skin, smooths fine lines, and improves elasticity. Apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Massage gently with light circular motions for about 1 minute. Avoid aggressive rubbing as harsh pressure can damage skin elasticity. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water to refresh the skin. Apply your favorite moisturizer later. Use 2 to 3 times a week, preferably in the morning. This combination is especially helpful for normal to combination skin type. For oily skin, apply lightly. Now, before we move on to the second recipe, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Second recipe, what ingredients do we need? 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera soothes the skin, hydrates deeply, and supports natural regeneration. This recipe calms the skin, reduces dryness, and improves skin texture overnight. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and hands before bedtime. Massage gently until absorbed. Leave it on overnight as a nourishing night treatment. Rinse your face with warm water in the morning only if needed. Use 3 to 4 times a week for best results. This recipe is ideal for sensitive, irritated, or dehydrated skin. Here's the third recipe. What ingredients do we need? 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair the skin and reduce signs of aging. This mask improves skin elasticity, softens wrinkles, and protects the skin barrier. Apply a small amount to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Massage gently until absorbed. If you want, you can leave it on overnight. In the morning, cleanse your skin as usual. Use 2 to 3 times a week. This recipe is excellent for mature and aging skin. Before we move on to the fourth recipe, please like, comment, and share this video. Here's the fourth recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and half teaspoon of shea butter. Shea butter deeply nourishes the skin and helps restore firmness. It is perfect for dry or mature skin. This recipe softens, smooths, and improves elasticity. Apply to your face, neck, and hands wherever you feel the need. Leave it on for 15 minutes for quick nourishment, or apply a thin layer and leave it overnight for intense repair. Rinse with warm water in the morning if used overnight. Use 2 to 3 times a week. It's best suited for dry, mature, or dull skin. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Fifth recipe. What ingredients do we need? 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda gently exfoliates and helps cleanse the pores. This mask smooths rough texture and refreshes dull skin. Apply carefully to your face, avoiding the eye area. Massage gently for about 30 seconds. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and then cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use once or twice a week for best results. If you have sensitive skin, use gently and avoid frequent use, as baking soda may cause irritation. Now, choosing the right recipe for your skin type. For dry skin, coconut oil plus shea butter or aloe vera gel. For sensitive skin, aloe vera recipe. For oily skin, go for the yogurt recipe. For mature skin, vitamin E or shea butter recipe. Here are some important skincare tips. Morning use, yogurt mask and lighter treatments. Night use, aloe vera, vitamin E or shea butter for deep repair. During winter time, richer mask like shea butter and aloe vera. During summertime, lighter options like yogurt. Avoid overuse. More is not better. Always follow recommended frequency. Next, always massage gently to protect skin elasticity. Healthy skin begins with hydration, balanced nutrition, and good sleep. With regular use, you may notice smoother, softer skin within 2 to 4 weeks. Consistency and gentle care are the true secrets to youthful, healthy skin. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Again, before you go, if you found this natural anti-aging recipes helpful, take a moment to like this video. It helps more people discover safe and natural skincare. Tell me in the comments which recipe you will try first and where you're watching from. I truly love hearing from you. And if you want simple, natural beauty tips that truly work, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Your skin deserves patience, gentle care, and consistency. Let's glow naturally together. I'll see you soon.